Hi guys on YouTube, it's Russell Crazy here. This video is for Martha Lover Forever, as he wanted to see my toy washer in action. Unfortunately I haven't got the other one because that one broke, so this is the only one that's working. So I've just cut up, there's some little tankies that I'm going to wash, and so I'll load the machine. Oops, sorry about that. Stay in, hanky. Door. The detergent is going to be a little cap of Summerfield non-bio. I meant a tiny touch of non-bio liquid. One second, I'll just... and just a little bit of warm water. The program's going to be cottons with a temperature of 40. You can turn it on and start. There it goes. Right, pause it till the intermittent spin.